Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Dodge Durango, and let me tell you, this SUV is making some bold moves. It's sticking around with a fierce all V8 lineup and saying goodbye to its V6 engine. Yep, comma. You heard that right. If you're a fan of power, this is the Durango. For you, now, comma, this isn't just any SUV. The Durango has been a part of the market for quite some time, and while it's fun to drive and does a great job at hauling families, it's definitely due for an update in terms of tech and safety features. But here's the kicker. Dodge has decided to simplify things by offering only V8 options. So comma, let's break down what you can expect. The base model, the GT, is now rocking a 5.7-liter Hemi V-8, which is a significant upgrade. Dodge claims this makes it the most affordable all-wheel drive V8 vehicle out there, starting at around $44,490. But hold on, this upgrade does add about $4,000 to the price, so keep that in mind. Moving up, we've got the RT model featuring a 6.4-liter Hemi V-8, delivering an impressive 475 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. It's making a comeback after being absent for a bit, and trust me, you'll feel the power when you hit the gas. And for those who want the absolute top-tier performance, the SRT Hellcat is still here, boasting a jaw-dropping 710 horsepower from its supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8. Now, comma, let's talk about some new features. The Durango RT will offer a cool blacktop redline package, giving it a sleek, aggressive look with blacked-out wheels and badging. Plus, comma, if you opt for the tow-and-go package, you'll get even wider wheels and Brembo calipers for that extra flair. Inside, comma. The Durango is getting a facelift as well. The RT with the blacktop redline package comes with leather and micro suede seating and a unique interior design that really stands out. If you're looking for a bit more customization, the SRT Hellcat offers a jailbreak option, letting you choose different wheels, colors, and even seat options. How cool is that? So what do you think? The 2026 Dodge Durango is here to stay, and it's all about that V8 power. It's exciting to see how Dodge is keeping the spirit of this SUV alive, even as it faces fierce competition in the family hauling market. If you're interested in getting your hands on one, keep an eye out because orders for the GT and SRT Hellcat open soon. The RT will follow later this year. That's all for today's first look at the 2026 Dodge Durango. Are you excited about this all V8 lineup? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.